Hey, what's good? Today's video is Matchbox Action Drivers. It's Pizza Hut Playset. We're gonna open it up, take everything out, see what it's all about. Instructions. Who needs those? And it comes with a car. A Volkswagen GTI. Piece stuck inside the box. Make sure there's nothing in there. Empty, except for the car. Pause. Okay, we're back. I got the car out. It's a Volkswagen GTI. Look at that. Tail lights. It got a license plate. Headlights. Pretty cool. So we got all the stuff here. There's the roof. Case. Part of the road. More part of the road. And the inside. Which, hold on. All right. Here we go. We have this right here. If you push down on it, the person comes out with the pizza. Normally you probably drive the car up and then it'll come out like that. All right, let's put these stickers on. First one. Is this sticker, which probably goes right there. Boom, one done. Now on the back, get a circle there. Little thing right there. And that would probably be the big Pizza Hut sticker. Here we are. Right on the back there. Right in the middle. So we get a sticker there. And a sticker there. More stickers to go. All right, we're going to do the sign now. There's one right on there. See if we can get it perfect. One. Now we're going to do the other side. Here's the other one. Voila! Pizza Hut sign. Looks like we have a white stop line, which goes right. Let's say right there. Come on. Not perfect, but it's on there. Here's the other one. Not bad. Almost there. Next, we're going to have some more for the mini parking lot. All right, here's the biggest strip, which goes right here. Oh, yeah, the parking spaces. There's one. And here's the other one. Get it right on there. Okay. Now we have this green part, which is the grassy area strip. It's going to go right. Right there. Next we're going to do this one. And the small pot next to the handicap symbol. Oh yeah, the stickers are done. Stickers are done. Now it's time to put it together. All right, so we want this in the small part of the road. Okay, so it's going to click like that. Then we want the other part of the road to click in together. There it is. Focus. All right. Next, step 3 is the roof. Pizza Hut roof. So it goes on, snaps in like that. Boom. That's fun. That's cool. Next is we're going to put the sign. It's facing, which way is it? Oh, it's going over here. It wants to go face this way. So it's in. And we want to put this in. And I believe that's it. Oh, the pizza goes on the car. So, I believe it wants to go like that. And there you go. Pizza Hut delivery car. You're driving around, comes up. You just push down on the Matchbox and boom, it opens. You can park handicap car and another car here, right? Well, actually, I don't know if you want to, but you could. You could back up, open up your thing, and they could put it right in the back there, and you can drive off. So that is the Pizza Hut Playset by Matchbox. Action drivers. Pretty kind of cool. I have a FedEx one. I didn't show that one yet, but that will come up in a future video. But this is the Pizza Hut one. I just wanted to do it step by step. I hope you like and subscribe and watch all my other stuff. Shorts and videos. That's today's video. Hope you like. Have a good day. Go get some pizza. Later.